Hello once again and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Saturday Morning Collection. We are here today to talk about and check out a brand new figure available through Chella Toys. I'm talking about Bull Nakano, the very first, to my knowledge, full-scale, big run female in a retro line. Of course, we're talking about the old school Hasbro size figures. Bull Nakano in all her fury and glory. Check her out. The rest of the series that has been released, of course, Nick Aldis, the Mind of Meanie 2-pack, featuring Josh Chernoff. This is the fight variant of that. And, of course, the Blue Meanie. And we have Hayabusa, who's also been released just last month, I believe. Very, very recent release. And now we're going to dive on in and check out Bull. Here we have Bull Nakano. Very furious look. The paint app is tremendous on this. You have some decals, or some deco rather, all over her. Let's see if we can get a close look into that camera. There you have Bull Nakano and her outfit. Of course, that signature high top hair, mullet, multicolored. Excellent, excellent likeness. Big fan of this figure. And of course, Josh Chernoff is here to get the official word. She is much shorter in scale than the rest of the line, as you can see here. I'll hold them up closer. Back to back. And there is a Hayabusa, known to do some high flying. There is a Luna Vachon coming soon, who will be able to pair up nicely with your Bam Bam Bigelow. So I'm looking forward to that. But to put her in perspective, I think she scales up pretty nicely with the rest of the line. And here, of course, we see a custom Bad News Brown. That's a special feature for this week, and we'll talk about him and a few other customs later on in a future video, but this one is done by the Custom King 316 shout out there in California. Bad News Brown. This was a commission, one that I absolutely felt like was necessary into the Hasbro realm. And then this bad boy here, well, we're just going to have to save that for a later date. But if you want to get on and find out what's inside this box, well, I say stay tuned. I say subscribe. I say like, share. Do everything you can to help support this video. But sooner than later, we're going to get in here and we're going to assemble this bad boy. So stay tuned and like, share, subscribe, please, to the Saturday Morning Collection. And thank you all for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, to the Bull Nakano unboxing. And we'll see you next week, the winner and still champion of the world, Bull Nakano.